Hi everyone! Welcome to Worry Talks. I am Katie. I am one of the in-country representatives for Worry Philippines and I am with...
Hello, hi mabuhay! My name is Kev from Southern Alberta Institute of Technology, or simply SAIT.
Alright, so first question, Kev, I would like to ask you, ano ba yung nagpapa-unique sa SAIT, or sa Southern Alberta Institute of Technology? What makes us want to choose to study at SAIT rather?
Okay, so technology, it's in our name, it's who we are and it's what we do. So most of our programs are tech-infused, and not only that, it's complemented by cutting-edge facilities and industry-aligned programs. So definitely our students later on are guaranteed to have that quality and best education when they go to SAIT. And aside from that, SAIT is actually a pioneer because we are the first publicly funded polytechnic institute in Canada. So for more than 100 years, SAIT is in the business already, so tested and proven na tayo in delivering quality education to our students. And SAIT is actually a leader as well because SAIT is one of the top 5 applied research institution in Canada. So if you are a Filipino student who is looking for an opportunity to improve your research skills, do more research, then SAIT would be the perfect school for you. And then third reason why we are unique is we are an innovator because our instructors are industry experts. So we help our experts teach. Kasi di ba yun naman yung dapat na importante sa education is if you are a student who wants to learn from the best of the best, who would like to learn firsthand yung skills, yung knowledge, yung expertise ng industry na gusto mo, you go to SAIT because that's what we offer. And last is SAIT is a polytechnic. We are a doer, and as a polytechnic, we focus on applied, industry-aligned learning with curriculum na built-in dito ang work experiences or applied learning para talagang hands-on yung natututunan ng estudyante natin. And all of this, result nito is highly employable graduates. With 89% of graduate employment rates, SAIT students are able to find work within 3 months after their graduation. So that's actually an interesting, and that what makes SAIT a unique institution.
Also, let's expand on the fact that you have 3 satellite campuses where students can apply their learnings from the classroom. So, hands-on talaga na.
Hands-on talaga yung matututunan ng estudyante natin. So, kung ikaw ay sawana sa traditional classroom na nakaupo lang and you wanna do what you are learning agad-agad, you go to SAIT because that's what we offer.
Okay, that leads me to my next question. Let's describe naman yung campus or student life ng mga aspiring international students natin, aspiring Filipino international students natin who wants to study at Southern Alberta Institute of Technology.
Okay, so di na nating SAIT kasi masyadong mouthful eh. Alam ko medyo mahama siya. So SAIT for our Filipino students, or SAIT kasi minsan yung tawag. Going back to the question, we have 4 campuses. We have 1 main campus and then we have 3 satellite campuses which you already discussed a little bit earlier, no? So yung tatlong satellite campuses natin are actually strategically located kung saan pwedeng mag-grow yung estudyante as per the skills that they could gain. For example, yung sa School of Transportation natin, yung satellite campus natin is actually located inside the Calgary International Airport. So yung mga estudyante, talagang natututunan nila how to like maneuver or like paano yung mga machineries behind an airplane, nakaka-touch sila doon. So that's what we offer in terms of campuses. As for the life naman within our campus, where we offer a lot of extracurricular activities. So the students can definitely be busy not only with the academics, but of course we also prioritize na dapat chill din sila when it comes to the totality of their experience at SAIT. So aside from that, we also have sports. And yung sports natin, actually, sasabihin ko na we have scholarships there. So if the students are physically active as well, so we have physical sports and we also have mobile sports. So ang tawag dito sa team natin is Trojan. So if they wanna experience that as well, then SAIT would definitely be the best option for them.
Work-life balance talaga.
Yes.
Also, can we expound on the employment capabilities of international students inside the campus? Kasi I believe we discussed that as well.
Yes. So as an international student at SAIT, no, you have the eligibility to work unlimited hours inside the institution. So kahit saan ka pumunta na department, as long as there are part-time opportunities there, well, definitely you can go there. So for example, we have a student who is working as a clerk doon sa accommodation natin inside SAIT. So nakakapag-earn din sila doon. And then after a certain hour, lipat sila sa next nilang on-campus activity. So, yun yung mga opportunity. So, not only they could like leisurely stay at SAIT, but also they could stay at SAIT while learning as well.
And learning.
And learning, of course. Siyempre, yun yung importante. They should learn. They will learn.
Yeah. And ngayon naman, Kev, I wanna ask, ano ba yung mga support services na pwede natin i-offer to our aspiring international students once that gets SAIT?
Oh, good question. Because in SAIT, we are offering a whole package or a total package to our international students. So, inside SAIT, while they are a student, ang pinaka-first na pwede natin i-provide will be academic support. We have to acknowledge that they will be coming in the Philippines, and definitely the education system will be different going to Canada.
Definitely.
So kung nagkakaroon sila ng challenges when it comes to adapting to a certain lessons, mga ganyan, we have peer support there. So yung academic support natin. Next would be, we also have academic advising. Yung academic advising natin has two categories. First would be, for example, the students bigla nang naisip, ay gusto ko palang lumipat ng program. Baka gusto kong kumuha ng certain units or certain subjects para mag-add sa akin. So, yun yung sa part ng academic advising natin. Makakausap mo yung mga deans, yung mga teachers, and advise you what the proper thing to do with your plans. And then, with that academic advising is doon na yung sa immigration consultancy natin. So, in SAIT, we have our in-house RCIC. They provide free consultations. You can book them via Zoom kung hindi mo kayang pumunta sa international center namin. And they will be advising you with any immigration or visa concerns that you may have. You want to extend your visa, bibigyan ka ng anong mga details na kailangan mong prepare. For example, yung mga students natin na coming from different provinces, as biglang gustong lumipat sa SAIT, actually we can help you or we can give advice on what the proper documents you should prepare para magkaroon ng smoother transaction or easier transaction from saan ka man galing or anong visa concern na meron ka, going to your plans. So, yun yung support na binibigay natin sa mga estudyante natin.
And then, Kev, let me ask naman, ano ba yung mga career opportunities or internship opportunities that we can offer to the students before they even graduate at SAIT?
Ayan, ang pinaka magandang message na narinig ng mga Filipino natin is definitely employment opportunities after they study, no? So at SAIT, we provide career counseling and career planning opportunities for students. So we have students kasi na nako-confuse. For example, papasok sila, ito yung goal, pero pag patapos na sila ng education nila, medyo nako-confuse na sila. Like, oh my God, ano ba talaga yung gusto kong kunin? And we have actually people who can help you really plan out the career that you want to do. And with regards to finding employment, we also have opportunities for you to look mga listahan ng mga open employments natin. You just go to our international center and then you can check ano yung mga available jobs within the vicinity, within the area, within the Alberta. But what I want to discuss is how SAIT is so much related or aligned with employment opportunities outside. No? So in SAIT, we actually have 11,000 partnered industry experts and companies. So these industry experts provide us with 5 million worth of funding. So this funding is what we use to build all these world-class facilities, buy the necessary equipments and gadgets na makakatulong sa mga estudyante natin to really learn and have that skill. So itong mga partners natin, sinasabi nila, okay, sige, go SAIT, you use this money to really improve, really help these students be the best at in our industry para later on, after they graduate, sa inyo na kami kukuha ng employees. So it shows na talagang how job-ready our SAIT students will be after their studies kasi integrated yung mga programs natin, yung learning natin, dun sa hinahanap ng workforce natin. So, yun more than like any programs, yun siguro yung pinakamagandang opportunity that awaits our Filipino students who are looking for opportunities to work after their studies.
Also shows hand-in-hand yung institutions and yung industries available around Alberta. They're working together to not just help you study but also find employment right after graduation. So may pupuntahan ka talaga when you graduate at SAIT.
Kasi diba ganun dapat, hindi lang yung study mo yung isipin mo but your long-term career. So ano ba, mag-study ka lang ba sa Canada or do you have plans pa after your studies? So if you have plans pa, if study lang yung gusto mo, definitely SAIT is still there. Talagang bibigyan ka ng training and hands-on skills. But if kung may long-term goal ka pa, then SAIT is also the best of that kasi complete package tayo. We are located in a good location where you can really exceed whatever, exceed or achieve whatever you want to achieve in life.
Also, SAIT is giving you the opportunity to look at the bigger picture.
Yes.
Hindi lang yung mag-aaral ako for the next 1 or 2 years.
Yes.
Yung magiging
May
buhay
progression.
mo, yes, years after you graduate
Yes.
even. And then that leads me, Kev, to my next question. Meron ba tayong ma-offer ng mga financial aids or scholarships to our aspiring international students?
So, yes, definitely we have a lot of scholarship award or bursaries. Actually, nakakaingit nga kasi ang dami naghihintay ng financial assistance sa mga estudyante natin na mag-aaral sa SAIT. But first, we have entrance scholarship. So, entrance scholarship is we provide this to deserving Filipino students, 1,000 to 5,000 Canadian dollars. We give them this award on their second semester during their first year. So, what they have to provide lang would be their TOR, their passport, a letter of intent, and then proof of visa application to show lang talaga yung commitment na magtutuloy sila sa SAIT.
Yeah.
So, that's one. Second would be we also have merit-based scholarships. So these merit-based scholarships, you only need to submit one application form. And then that one application form, they will be reviewed na for all available scholarship applicable to that form. So it's actually convenient kasi magsasubmit ka lang isa. And then ang pinaka-last scholarship would be the Student Ambassador Scholarship. So if you are a Filipino student na influencer na willing mag-video kahit saan, willing gumawa ng mga marketing videos, mag-video, hindi nahihiya sa in front of cameras, and share your experiences on international students in the Philippines, well, we can give you 2,500 Canadian dollars scholarship per semester yon.
And the scholarships are stackable, right?
Yes, yun yung pinakamagandang part. All these scholarships are stackable. So, pwede kang makareceive ng entrance scholarship, 5 merit-based scholarship, or maging student ambassador. As long as you qualify for all of them, well, definitely pasok ka doon. So, yun yung parang convenient part for the scholarship. Sana all.
You get high-class education and you get all of these financial aids and scholarships
Yes.
to help you with your expenses when you're already in Canada. And that leads me, Kev, to my last question.
Last na.
Yes, last na. Maybe next time I
Yes.
can. But what makes your institution unique? Bakit pipiliin ng mga Pilipino na mag-aral sa SAIT compared to all other institutions across Canada?
Yeah. So, I've discussed already what they can expect at SAIT. So, I think that's more than enough to convince you guys that SAIT is the best school for you to learn a better way.
Yeah.
But to really motivate our Filipinos to really choose SAIT, SAIT offers the complete package. SAIT is strategically located in Alberta, the richest province in Canada as per GDP per capita, and the only province in Canada that pays no provincial tax. So that's one key factor that Filipinos should consider SAIT kasi sa probinsya kung saan sila titira, maganda yung buhay. Merong opportunities, merong work. And specifically, SAIT is located in Calgary City, the most livable city in the whole of Canada, and the most livable city, number 7 in the whole world. And sobrang baba ng tax na binabayaran nila, that's why yung income na nakukuha ng international students natin, kasi did you know guys that as international students, they can work part-time, inside the campus unlimited hours, outside the campus 24 hours per week. So, yung kinikita mo dun sa part-time na yon, madami ka pa rin nakukuha on your own, kasi nga mababa yung tax na binabayaran mo. So, it shows how SAIT offers the complete package not only within the institution but outside. Kasi 93% of our graduates are actually staying in Alberta, in Calgary, kasi nakakahanap na sila ng trabaho doon. So, if you are a Filipino student who have a long-term plan, not only to study, but to live kung ano man yung gusto mong gawin sa Canada, SAIT, located in Calgary, Alberta, will be the perfect choice for you. Not only to learn a better way, but to live in a better way as well.
So literally, learning, earning, and living.
Living,
right?
correct. Yes, yun yung offer natin doon.
Yes, it's living. So again, Kev, thank you so much
Thank
for
you so much,
taking the
Asma.
time to do this interview, to introduce SAIT to our aspiring international Filipino students. And of course, thank you so much for sharing all those insights, all those helpful information that we can use to help students, be more comfortable with studying in Canada. So if you want to study at SAIT, please send your applications through Worry Philippines. And don't forget that you can study worry-free with Worry Philippines. Bye!